Boss! May school ka na ba? Ay, wala pa. O dito ka na sa Holy Angel University. Panigurado makakakuha ka ng high quality education. At meron ding mga scholarship at pwede ka pang maging varsity.
Hindi lang yun. Marami ring mga ganang facilities dito sa Holy Angel. Dagdag mga to.
The good things I could say about Holy Angel po is yung 48 education niya and maganda rin po yung environment po ng school din.
This university have a lot of good facilities that they can provide with students, and they can also have good environment for students that para sa studies.
Yes.
For example, in library,
Yes.
and the rooms are also good for students. Comfortable sila na mag-aral, and also yung mga nagtuturo sa kanila, they can really guide the student on how to do their work.
At yung mga good things is naman na ang dami naman events na pwede kang makasali, mga ibang clubs sa mga LM, sa high school, tsaka may mga U days or college days kapag college ka na. Yes, tsaka accessible naman din sa HAU if yung tuition naman, hindi naman ganun kataas sa mga, compared sa mga ibang schools.
I would recommend them Holy Angel because since yung sinabi ko about it has good quality education and all around it's good naman.
Depende naman if yung gusto mo talagang school ay dito. Pero pwede ko naman kayo ma-recommend ito since okay naman yung mga learning experience at may mga enjoyable memories ka naman makikita.
Yes, I can recommend this school for others so that they can also experience what we experience, the good experience of this university.
Ayun, nakita nyo na ang mga facilities at narinig nyo na ang mga experiences ng mga estudyante sa Holy Angel University. Ano masasabi nyo? Di ba maganda? So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na, be an Angelite!